Eminyakeni u2 edlule ga decide ukuthi ngithathe leave from emsebenzini ngihambe ngiyodonate incwadi ezikoleni engangifunda kuzo. In fact kwaba isikole engangifunda kuso nesikole unkosikazi wami ayifunda kuso. Angifuni ukuyibiza ngamagama lezi zikole out of respect, you know. Took leave, went there to motivate ingane. Ngadonate incwadi mfethu yabo lezo zinto. Incwadi zami that I could have sold. Decided like batches and batches of books. We donated to those two schools. I think one of the books was Impumelelo Kamadakeni. Enye incwadi angisayikhumbuli kahle, but I think it must have been ilento le Following in the Dawn, but akusabalekile ukuthi incwadi eziphi. Into ebalekile ukuthi Impumelelo Kamadakeni ikhuluma kabanzi ngempilo yami ukuthi ngize ngibe la ngikhona ngempilo, which is not at the peak, but kumina it is komunye umuntu kangaba. But incwadi egqugquzelayo ukuthi you know ngifunde kanjani ngaze ngaba nemasters ngiphule ngixova udaka isimo sami singesihle ekhaya ngizama ugqugquzela ingane because abantu abaningi baphosa ithawula ngoba beyibona ungazuthi izimo zakubo ziyinto ethile. So I did that, you know. Ngahamba ngodonate incwadi. And then like 2 weeks later or so, in fact lezi incwadi angithi ayihlale ema-libraries esikoleni ingane emazifuna lezi incwadi izokwazi ukuyithola. We're targeting abo matric no standard 9 abantu versa sebezophuma, you know. Then 2 weeks later mfethu sithola ama inboxes from ingane la kade sidonate khona incwadi. Ziyacomplain ingane ukuthi yazi lezi incwadi enishiyile othisha abasivumeli ukuthi siyithathe lezi incwadi yabo sifunde, you know. Ngase ngiba nemibuzo ke mina ukuthi incwadi ngishiye for free, batches, like I think we left like more than 10 per book. We're leaving like 10 copies per book. So ngaba nokuyibuza ukuthi I think we donated a lot of books. I don't have an actual number. So ngaba nokuyibuza ke mfethu ukuthi sengithathe leave ngahamba ngodonate incwadi ngamotivate ingane ngashiya incwadi for free. Why incwadi abantu bengayinikeza ingane, you know? Angitholanga ke impendulo, but what I ended up with was ukuthi mhlambe incwadi besishiya obviously azikho kwisyllabus. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uthisha bebona ukuthi lezi incwadi izophazamisa ingane. So ngenxa yalonto ke babona ukuthi akubalekile ukuthi lezi incwadi ifundwe, you know. And then I thought to myself, yazi mangifisa ngabe bangitshena ukuthi hey ngeke ndoda siyabonga incwadi, we don't think sizoyisebenzisa, you know. I could have sold those books obviously because it's not because they were not selling. They were selling, but I just took them from a batch that was selling ngayihambisa. Why am I sharing that? Ukuthi mfethu ngifuna ukuzama ukuvezela abafethu ukuthi siyazama abafethu ukuthatha isikhathi sethu siyomotivate but sigqugquzele, but kwesinye isikhathi kuba ne-resistance, you know. But ekhona-ke resistance kusuke kungasho ukuthi-ke ngeke siphinde sikwenze lokho, but bengithi angikuveze lokho ngoba kukaningi mfethu ngihamba ngisho ngiya kwamanye amabandla ngiyokhuluma, you know. Ngiyakhumbula nje ngake ngabizwa amabandla amaningi asekangibiza, you know. People know ukuthi I write books, published 13 books, and then nencwadi ka-14 nje ezophuma noma yinini, you know. Abantu uthola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ubizwa abantu ebandleni laba engakaze bayithenga incwadi yakho, you know. Bakubiza ukuthi bacela uzokhuluma and ufika ukhulume ngempela bafuna ukukhuluma ngetopic mhlawumbe abakuzwe ukukhuluma ngayo somewhere, and ufika ukhuluma bangabe nako ngisho ne-feel ukuthi okay this guy nje basesimemile asithenge noma incwadi yakhe eyodwa noma ezu2, you know, maybe singakhava upetrol wakhe ngokuthi sithenge incwadi embili. No, bakubiza nje abantu ukuthi uzokhuluma, ufika ukhuluma ngempela uzwe ngempela ukuthi no, this was moving, mfethu, people were touched. After sebetouched mfethu nothing happens, they're not going to be buying anything. Bazobonga mfethu, baxhawule mfethu, babonga igift uNkulunkulu akunike yona, and then sekuyilokho usubuyela kini, you know. So abanye bethu bafethu nginomndeni, you know, so ngiyasebenza Monday to Friday, and then nginomndeni ngama-weekend kusuke kukhona izinto ofana ngeyikhave eyi-personal. So at times when abantu bekucela ukuthi bacela uzokhuluma, abanye bakucela during isikhathi somsebenzi, kufanele uthathe ama-half day leave ukuthi uyohandlisha lezo zinto lezo. And then bengasiboni isidingo sokuthi kufanele wena usizakale ngaleyo ndlela, you know. So abaningi bayazi ukuthi nginama-platform amaningi engikhuluma kuwo, you know, like ama-radio stations ahlukahlukene, asisekho isidingo sokuze ngiwabize ngamagama, niyawazi bafethu, you know. Ngiyakhuluma cause imphakathi ngikhathalele. Ngike ngabizwa esinye isikole ngaseHawick, ngafike ngakhuluma mfethu, ngithe sengithuka banginikeza i-envelope and then ngayivula sengisendleleni, ngabafonela back mfethu ukuthi hey guys ngeke ngicela ukuyibuyisela emuva le mali, yabo le nto le. Banqaba mfethu ukuthi hayi ngeke ndoda ukwazi ukuzokhuluma nathi ebese, you know, ungatholi lutho. And then I was touched because I've spoken mfethu kuma institutions mfethu that are well off, and lesa sikole mfethu akungoba ngithini, I just felt le mali bebenginike yona imali bebengayigcina benze ezinye izinto, you know. I'm trying to show you guys ukuthi mangiyokhuluma noma ngenza izinto engi-operate kuzona nge-gift, ngisuke ngingafuni ukuthi ngibe money driven because zikhona ezinye izinto engisuke ngizenza eceleni ezingifakela imali. So lezi zinto ngisuke ngizenza ngoba nginothando lwabantu, kodwa kuyaba futhi ukuthi kube ne-abuse kalula, you know. For an example, khona nje institution enkulu nje la e-KZN ebingicelile ukuthi ifuna ngizokhuluma ngosuku oluthile, you know. And the institution enkulu enemali isizongitshela ukuthi njengoba befuna ngizokhuluma nje bacela ngikhulume mahhala ngoba abanayo imali, kodwa mase ngikhulumile nabo bazokwazi ukuthi ngokuzayo mase ngikhuluma nabo banginikeze imali, you know. Kodwa kulokhu bafuna ngizokhuluma mahhala. And for the first time I had to decline the offer. Ngibatshena ukuthi guys, normally I don't do this, but definitely I'm not gonna come and talk for free. If you guys want me to come and talk, ngicela nifake imali bafethu. Other than that, I am not going to do it. You know, for the first time, indlela engikhuliswe ngayo mina kwi-ministry, I don't go to preach or teach or do whatever for money. Izinto lezo engisuke ngi-expectile ukuthi kufanele ngizenze because ngigiftiwe kuzona. But I am also cognizant noma nginakho lokho futhi ukuthi ngifuna ukuba aware ukuthi angingabe sengi-abuswa ngegift uNkulunkulu angiphe yona, yabo lento le. Angikwazi bafethu nina nisebenza komasipala ukuthi ningafuna ukuzosibiza sizokhuluma for free, nibe nineyimali ezizumbulu enikwazi ukuyikhipha makufika le genge le ecula izinto enga-understandeki bezocula iy'nhlamba la, nibanikeza izumbulu zemali ebese ukuthi thina ngoba sibhala iy'ncwadi siyamotivate, you think we don't deserve ukuthi sikhokheleke, you know. I'm doing these things for free, but there are certain institutions obviously that I will never volunteer my services ukona, because ngiyanazi ukuthi imali niyayidlabhaza, imali nispenda anyhow. So ukuzo-expecta mina ukuthi ungifake kwi-program for free, that is an insult. It's a middle finger nje usuke ungitshengisa yona le. You've never bought any of my work, and then you think I'm gonna volunteer my time ngizongena kwi-program yakho. Kwesinye isikhathi bafethu siyayibona lezi zinto lezi, uthola ukuthi ubiziwe uzokhuluma, abantu ohleli nabo kwipanel mfethu have been flown over from other parts of the country, you know. Uyibuza wena njengoba mina ngizokhuluma mahhala, lo muntu okwipanel ubhukhelwe ihotela lana engihleli naye ngizokhuluma isikhathi esifanayo naye. Lo muntu ubhukhelwe ihotela wabhukhelwa mfethu ilento ama-flight nazo zonke lezi zinto lezi, you know. Uthini kumina, you know, mina you think ama-services ami kufanele abe free, kodwa lo muntu ukwazile ukuthi umndizise kwenye i-province wazomletha la wazombukhela nasehotela, but you can't even buy like 10 of my books just to show ukuthi you call me because you appreciate umsebenzi wami, you know. So and kulesi stage esengikuso bafethu, I'm a now and then I contribute a lot on Ukhozi, I contribute on Igagasi, I've been on Ivuma. There are few radio stations I haven't been on. Why am I saying that bafethu? At this stage engikuso njengamanje angikho kwi-stage la ngichwaziswa ukuba kuyi-poster ukuthi khona i-poster ethile kunesithombe sami. Akungichwazisi lokho bafethu. I think I've been there for isikhathi eside manje, so ngeke uyitshena ukuthi wena ngizojatsheliswa ukuthi mina ngingene kwi-poster event yakho, so ngizoposta ngalonto ukuthi hey buka ngiphethe imic lapha ngizobe ngikhuluma. No. But having said that, if ulalele from the start le video, ngiyaphinda futhi maningi ama-institutions mfethu, iy'kole nani bafethu, manifuna ama-services ami, I will make time mfethu ukuthi ngize ngizokhuluma bafethu for free, not expecting anything. But if you buy my books, I'll appreciate, but I won't be expecting anything in return. But there are certain institutions that I feel kuyi-offense bafethu ukuthi nifuna ama-services alabantu lapha, nibe nikwazi ukuthi nizohosta ama-party nemicimbi emikhulu, nikhokhe iy'mali eziyizumbulo, and then you expect some of us to offer our services for free. So Thulani uyayeye ugumede bafethu, angivamile ukushaya amavidiyo kanje, but I just thought ukuthi angiyishaye bafethu. Mhlampe khona omunye obecabanga ukuthi a-abuse abanye abantu, mhlampe ngokubuka le video kuzoba khona izinto ezizothinteka. So ngiyabonga bafethu, sharp sharp.